Achoo.
Yeah.
B. B. What color is your triangle? What color is it?
Pink.
That one's pink, that's right. What color is this one?
Green.
Green. Do you know this? What color is this? What color is this?
Pink.
Purple.
Pink. Pink.
Pink, that's pink. Do you know this color? That's orange. And that's yellow. And green. Yay! Can we zip it up now? Let's use the zipper. Where's the zipper? I'll hold it. Good. Keep going. Good. Zip. Can you say zip? Lizzie?
Yeah.
Zip. Here's the zipper. Keep zipping. Now you're unzipping. Now you're zipping. You want to open it? Yeah, look. To open it, you have to unzip. Like that. Can I hold your phone for you? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How do you put them back, Lizzie? Let's put them back.
He was very efficient and
Lizzie, Grandma said
In
not
that.
to do that. Grandma said no. You have to put them back quickly. Help me put them all back. Can you put this back, please?